Hi friends, and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be making green chicken pozole. I have the ingredients right behind me. We will introduce them and get started on this wonderful meal. I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm really hungry and I'm going to enjoy it. For the ingredients, we're going to be using 3 large chicken breasts, 4 poblano peppers, half a bunch of cilantro, 3 cans of cooked hominy, 5 tomatillos, 2 bay leaves, 2 epazote leaves, 2 oregano leaves, 2 serrano peppers, 6 cups of chicken broth, half a cup of mole, 1/4 of an onion, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 fresh garlic cloves, and salt and pepper to your liking. In a large pot, we're going to boil a little bit of water and add our 6 cups of chicken stock along with 8 cups of water. The water depends on the size of your pot. And we're going to start it to boil. Once it's boiled, we're going to add the 3 chicken breasts, salt, and pepper. Once we add that, we're going to reduce the heat down to medium and cook it for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can roughly chop the vegetables we will be using to blend, which now I'm roughly chopping 1/4 of an onion. I am also going to use the 2 garlic cloves, and for the poblano peppers, we are going to remove the tops, cut out the inside of the seeds, and roughly chop them so they fit better in the blender. Similarly, we're going to remove the tops of the serrano peppers. We don't have to chop them since they're already smaller. In our blender, we are going to add the 5 tomatillos, 4 poblano peppers, and 1 cup of water to start it blending. You can blend the vegetables in batches since at first they are a little bulky, but then they reduce down, and add them little by little until we blend all of the vegetables. Here we are adding the onion and the garlic. Now adding the 2 epazote leaves, the 2 fresh oreganos, and the half a bunch of cilantro. I was gonna add it half here and then half in the pot, but I'm not sure why I decided to add it all here. And then we blend it once again. From the pot, once the chicken has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, we will remove the chicken from the pot and add the green salsa. Into the green salsa goes the 3 full cans of hominy, also adding the half of cup of green mole. You can also use half a cup of roasted pumpkin seeds. For the spices, we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 2 bay leaves, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Once the chicken has cooled down, we are going to lightly shred it by pulling it apart into small / medium-sized pieces. After 30 minutes on medium to low heat, we are going to let the salsa and the hominy cook. Once that is cooked, we are going to add back the chicken inside of the pot. And remember, always check your salt and pepper and have a taste before we finish the final product. To garnish our green chicken pozole, we're going to thinly slice some radishes, also very thin slices of green cabbage, and a little bit of white onion. Once we have the desired spice and salt level, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and do the little notification so you can know the next time I post a video. If you want the full recipe, check down in the description down below, and that will lead you to my website, which has this recipe and so many more recipes. So much more deliciousness. Share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your mom, make it for your mom. And I hope that you enjoy this meal. If you do make this recipe, let me know down in the comments, and you can also let me know on Instagram. Share some pictures and I will share it with everyone else. So stay tuned for more, and oh yes, I almost forgot. Stay tuned for the bolillo video recipe, which will be in the little corner or whatever. And you can make the bolillo recipe, make this recipe, eat them together, and it is pure deliciousness. You'll be shook. Do kids still say that? I don't know, I'm thinking to myself. So I'll smell you guys later. Bye.